ASGCT's annual meeting this year. We affectionately refer to ASGCT's annual meeting as the Super Bowl of Science at Forge Biologics. What that really means is it's an opportunity for our team to come and share a lot of the amazing research and data that's coming out of Forge. It's an opportunity for our team to connect with other gene therapy developers to get a sense of how we can support them in their scaling process. We have our booth where we have a VR experience. So we've brought our 200,000 square foot facility here in virtual reality for people to get a sense of what it looks like. You can completely immerse yourself in that experience. We also have some presentations and some posters. So we're just excited to be able to participate and show this industry what Forge has to offer. This is one of the first in-person conferences that's happened in a while, and I can sense that everyone's really excited to just in general come together as an industry. If you're here at ASGCT, make sure you stop by our booth 214, attend one of our sessions, attend one of our posters, connect with the many Forge team members that are here at the conference in DC. Hope to see you there.